Okay, you've made it to level 4s. I can solve equations with composite functions. So if you can do level 3s, good. Level 4s are no big deal. It's just an added step of solving now. So in number 6, it says r of f of x. We're going to first do that part first. I know I said first like 3 times. It's okay. R of f of x. So we're going to do that to begin and simplify. So we're going to take the function f of x and we're going to put it into the function r. So I'm going to take this and put it in every time I see an x. So it will be 4 times negative 2x plus 5. So this will be negative 8x plus 20. Oh, whoops, I forgot the minus 3. Thanks for catching that. This will be plus 17. Okay, so now that I have my simplified expression, my problem asked me to find out what the value of x is when it equaled negative 7. So all you're going to do is set this equal to negative 7, and you're going to solve it, just like you normally would. Subtract 17 from both sides. Negative 8x equals negative 24. Divide both sides by negative 8. X is going to equal 3. Okay. Let's take a look at another example. It says, given m of x and n of x, find all values of x such that m of n of x equals 0. So very much like the first one, we're going to take this inside function n and put it into m every time you see an x. So taking n and putting it everywhere I see an x and m, and there's only one place, so this is nice. So let's go ahead and simplify that function first. So I'll have negative 2 times negative x squared minus 3x, and now I'm going to remember the 4 this time. Okay, I'm going to simplify this and distribute the negative 2. So I'll have a positive 2x squared plus 6x plus 4. And now the question asks me, where does this equal 0? Here's where factoring comes back into play. Always take out a greatest common factor first. So I'm going to go ahead and divide everything by 2. The reason why I knew I needed to factor was because I had an x squared and an x term. Okay, just something to look out for. Okay, so factoring out the leftovers. This is going to be plus 2 and plus 1, bringing down the greatest common factor. And now your greatest common factor in terms of solving doesn't really do us anything, doesn't matter. So I'm going to set each of these factors equal to 0 and solve each one of them separately. So to answer the question, the values of x that make this equation or this composition equal 0 are negative 2 and negative 1.